Yesterday means Ronak sir has given me some other work also. So
Okay, on which
I
technology?
have seen that video again. Means
Okay,
you send me that video.
okay.
Yeah, I have seen that again.
So we have completed our variable. Simple. We just discussed the work
Yeah. Uh-huh.
implementation, simple variable declaration, simple variable
Mm-hmm.
data types, how many data types we have, and why the PHP is loosely typed language.
Yeah.
We have discussed these things. So let's move ahead. Data type we have completed. There is a string data type also is there. So
Uh-huh.
we have performed some operation on string. Also there is some predefined function available in PHP, so we can manipulate the string variable
Okay.
according to our need, according to our sorry, requirement. So
Mm-hmm.
let's just see the overview of them. Okay,
Okay.
we know a string type variable. This is a string, just a string, simple string. Either we can use in double
Yeah.
quotes or single quotes.
Uh-huh.
Is it correct or not?
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Okay.
That's correct.
So some in this section there is some string function, inbuilt function means the definition of this function is in the PHP library. So we just have we just
Mm-hmm.
have to use them, nothing else. We don't have to define them
Okay.
anywhere. We don't have to just write the definition anywhere. Just use them like a, for example, strlen. This is
Uh-huh.
one of the inbuilt function. It will return just the length of our string,
Yeah.
character length, mean how many character in our string. So how many characters are there?
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
11. Actually we can see the 11 character, but there is one space also. There is one
Yeah.
space, so it will count one
Uh-huh.
character. Okay, that's
Okay.
why output is 12. Okay,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
uh, if we can try, we can run this. If I just include, can I edit it? Can't edit it. Let me show you. We have
Okay.
um, so Ronak sir gives you what kind of task or what kind of work?
Actually, I have to write the scripts about means my interview about the PL SQL and means I already completed the PL SQL training. So
Okay.
means for interview we have to write the script.
Okay.
Mhm.
So, moving.
So you guys have created your own CMS also?
No, we haven't created
Uh,
own
mhm.
CMS. Yeah, we can create our modules and plugins of any CMS, but we haven't created any
Mhm.
CMS, own CMS,
Mhm.
because the kind of headache task and there's so many options are there. Open source options are there. We don't have
Yeah, yeah.
we don't have to create the CMS.
Mhm.
Generally, in the CMS, majorly use Drupal. Then it's a
Mhm.
so this is our file. So Verdum. Why we use Verdum? Did you remember?
Yeah, means for returning the data type.
Data type and the
Mhm.
value also. It will return data type plus value. What the value have
Yeah.
in
Mhm.
that variable. Okay. So it will return
Mhm.
12. If I just increase one more space, then it will return 30.
Okay.
Okay, so space
Mhm.
also count as a character in our PHP and any other language
Yeah.
also. Space count as a
Mhm.
character.
Okay.
Yeah, we are actually so many things are open here. Close it. Count the number of word in a string. If you want, what we have done, we have counted the characters, number of characters.
Okay.
If you want to
Yeah.
count the number of word, then it can be countable. It will just separate the word by
STR.
space, str underscore
Mm-hmm.
so count. How it
Mm-hmm.
determine it is the number of word, how many words are there by space. Okay.
By the space, yeah. Uh-huh.
Reverse a string strrev there. So it will just reverse
Uh-huh.
whole string. Means if this one is right now, this one is the last character, it will just
Uh-huh.
revert in the position of the first character, nothing else.
Yeah.
Just simply
Mm-hmm.
revert to string, uh, specific text within the string position. It will str position
Uh-huh.
of word.
Uh-huh.
Okay, means this function
Okay.
return a numeric value. What is belongs to, it belongs to that particular word in which
Yeah.
position start. Means there is a 5 character and this is
Uh-huh.
6. It will start, position will be from the zeroth, 0 1
Mm-hmm.
4 5 and 6. From the 6 there is a word 12. Okay,
Okay.
position string is 0 not 1. Okay, character position in a string is 0. Means it will start from the 0, like array.
Uh-huh.
Replace string, it will just simply replace the first from the second. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
str replace. Sometimes actually, why we are just seeing these inbuilt functions, sometimes in the real time we have to replace some word or manipulate or string variable whatever we receive from the database
Yeah.
or in the dynamic way.
Uh-huh.
So we have to sometimes manipulate the string. Like
Okay.
we have received a string with spacing. Okay,
Uh-huh.
and right now, one second, let me show you.
Okay.
First, try to understand this function str underscore replace. What it will then
Uh-huh.
just replace this word from here.
Yeah.
Dolly. In place of world, there will be dolly. Let me show you. Sorry.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm. Hello, Dolly.
Okay. Yeah.
Let's assume this is our blog title. Okay,
Uh-huh.
this is our blog's title, and I just
Okay.
want to put that blog title on the URL. Means whenever you want to see that particular blog or that particular article,
Okay.
I want
Uh-huh.
the title should be in URL, but you can't use space.
Uh-huh.
You can't use spaces in the URL. Is it
Okay.
so?
Yeah, uh-huh. We have to use plus or something like that.
Or hyphen word. So, but
Uh-huh.
in place of space, just replace hyphen.
Mm-hmm.
Let me show you.
Okay. Okay.
Did you get the
All
point?
right. Uh-huh.
Did you get the point?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. So for this kind of requirement, sometimes we have. That's why we use these kind of functions. Just no, you,
Uh-huh.
you don't have to
This
buy.
is one of the important, right?
Yeah, this one is important. You don't have to just by heart all the functions. Just remember we can manipulate our string variable or our different types
Okay.
according to your
Yeah.
requirement. You just have to search on the Google. It will give you the function name. You don't have to by heart the all
Oh.
function names. Okay.
Uh-huh. Mm-hmm.
Now let's move constant. With constant also not so much important. We don't use the constant so many times. Define. Um,
Define greetings. A
Yeah.
variable name.
What is the constant? Let me just define definition. Let me constant are like a variable, like the one they are defined, they cannot be changed.
Which has only.
Yeah, only one value. We means we cannot override
Uh-huh.
the value of a
Yeah.
particular variable. It is called constant.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the syntax. This is the syntax.
Okay.
User defined name, the value, and case
Value.
sensitivity. Case sensitivity if you want to pass or not, yes or no, zero or one, nothing else. Okay.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Or default is false. You can pass true or false.
Okay.
So what you have defined, let give an example. Greetings, welcome to W3 school. Means this is our very,
1 second, my friend.
yeah, yeah.
1 second. All right. Let me. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Good.
Should I continue?
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, that was a alarm sound.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
So this is what we are doing in this line. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
just creating variable, constant variable, and assigning this value into that variable. This is user defined variable. You can
Okay.
take any name, okay, and it will
Uh-huh.
not go throughout the program, throughout that particular page, throughout that particular script. That greeting will, the value of the greeting will not be changed. You can't change it. Okay.
Okay.
Constant
So
global.
it always will be welcome to w3school.com.
Yeah, for that particular program or for that particular script, PHP script means right
Okay.
now we are in the index.php. So it is a one page of PHP or PHP script. Okay.
Mm-hmm. So, Govind, how to means write inside the URL means like on the top you can see w3school.com underscore php and means slash php underscore constant.
I didn't get you. Means what you have to do?
Means if you want to add in the URL, then how we can add?
Yeah, there is some redirection functions are there, or
Okay.
header location. There is a header location.
Okay.
Header
All right.
location, and you just have to your PHP file name is syntax or
Okay.
slightly different. There is a syntax slightly different. Header location is there, or with the form tag HTML. There is a HTML form tag. There is a
Uh-huh.
action attribute is
Mm-hmm.
there. We can write the URL name, means in which
Okay.
page you want to redirect after submitting that particular form. Okay.
Uh-huh.
So
Okay.
that is the way how we, and this is just a domain name. This is our just a domain name.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is, you can
Uh-huh.
see the folder name, and this is our file name. Right now in our
Mm-hmm.
case, what is our domain name? This is our domain name right now,
Okay.
because we are
Uh-huh.
on the local machine. This is your folder name and this is your file name. And
Uh-huh.
within your folder, we can create multiple files. We will see that is also while we are learning about the forms and the
Oh,
get method, post
okay.
method. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Constant global define outside the function, then it will be global. The same concept, whatever we have learned at the function or variable scope. Okay. Some
Uh-huh.
operators, let's move ahead. Some operators are there. Same operator you have seen in different languages. If you learn C, C++, or any other language, or in the
Yeah,
SQL
yeah.
also, same operators are there.
Plus, minus, multiplication, division, modulos, exponential.
Exponential. Okay. Assignment operators are there. These are the arithmetic operator. These are assignment operator. Assignment operator means you are assigning one
Is
value
equal to.
to another variable or one variable to another variable. Okay,
Uh-huh.
so you are assigning value of y into x, value of y, value of y
Okay.
as, yeah,
Uh-huh.
plus equals to means is,
Plus x is equal to x plus y.
yeah,
Is the same in C language too.
yeah, same C language too. Okay,
Uh-huh.
modulation through the modulation, you can see comparison operator.
Okay.
These are the assignment only. If there is only one equals to, that will be the assignment operator. Okay, you can use
Okay.
equals to, plus, minus, module, and
Okay.
division, anything. If you are using double equals to or triple equals to, okay,
Okay.
these will be the comparison operator with the
Uh-huh.
they not greater than, less than. These, with these operator, if you use equals to, that
Okay.
will also comparison operator. Okay,
Uh,
so double equals to, let's take a difference between the double equals to and triple equals to.
okay.
Double equals to just check the value, not value type.
Uh-huh.
What is the difference between value and value type?
Value means value and the value type is a data type.
Yeah, exactly. Means, let me show you.
Okay.
Dollar a equals to 1. Okay,
Uh-huh.
dollar b equals to, within the single quote, 1.
Okay.
So in the first variable there is an integer type 1. Okay,
Okay.
in the second variable there is string type 1. But
Uh-huh.
if you compare, there is a if statement. You already know
Uh-huh.
about something about the if this condition is
Yeah.
true,
Uh-huh.
then only it will execute this block of code. Once again, okay, dollar b,
Uh-huh.
then only it will print hello. Oh, sorry.
Uh-huh.
Let me show you. Oops, let me remove this. When you comment,
Uh-huh.
so there is a hello.
Okay.
You can see these are the different type or not, but kind of
Uh-huh.
same
But that's
variable.
the same value.
Yeah, if you use triple equals to, if you use
Okay.
triple equals to, then it will check the type also, the value type and
Uh-huh.
the value. So it should be identical. Means both should be either integer or both should be either string. Okay. Let me show you.
Okay.
It will print nothing.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Why it will print
Okay.
nothing? Because it will skip. This condition is false.
Yeah.
Sorry. So it will not
Uh-huh.
going to execute this block of code. So it's not printing
Mhm.
hello. Okay.
Okay.
Identical. It will return to if x is equals to y and they are the same type. Same thing.
Same type, yeah.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Not equals to means it return if not equal
X
to
is
y.
not equal to Y, yeah.
Okay. Not,
This same in the PLC equal also means not equal to
yeah,
the sign,
the
the
sign.
symbol,
This
exclamation and is equal to.
equals, yeah. This is also same as not equals to. This we use this symbol here only. Generally we use this symbol. This is also the alternative of this symbol, nothing else. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Just the alternative of this symbol, nothing else.
Yeah.
Same working, nothing. There's no difference. Okay, not equals to means not double equals to means it will check the type also. Just the reverse of
Okay.
triple equals to.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, greater than, less than, simple. It will check the value is greater than or not, or less than or not, greater than equals to or not, less than equals to or not. Is there any confusion in between these operators?
No.
Because you will, if you just develop a code or in the framework, so many times you will use these variables for
Okay.
creating different logics and different conditions. Okay. Incremental operators are there, post increment, pre increment in the same decrement, incremental, decremental operator. This is the pre increment.
Okay.
Okay, this is the
Uh-huh.
post increment, pre decrement and post decrement. Same in the C language.
Okay. Uh-huh.
PHP logical operators also there. Either you can use the text or symbol. Okay,
And then. Mm-hmm.
and if both the condition are true, means left
Okay.
hand side and right hand side, both the condition. You can write here one condition, you can also write here one condition. So if the both condition,
Okay.
then only it will return true. In the or,
Uh-huh.
either left hand side or right hand side,
On right hand side, yeah.
any condition will be true, then it
Yep.
will return true. If both conditions are false, then it will return false. Okay.
False, yeah. Uh-huh.
XOR true, either X or true,
Or
but not both. Means
but not both, yeah.
there is only one difference in this condition. If both are true, then it will return true.
Uh-huh.
But here there is only one difference. If both are true, then it will return false, and everything else is same. But generally we don't use.
Okay.
There is no such kind of situations are there. Okay.
Yeah, uh-huh.
Generally we use and or, same, and or,
Okay.
same working.
Oh, uh-huh.
Not operator, just
Mm-hmm.
reverse the condition. Reverse it. If this condition is true, then it will return false. If this condition is false,
Yeah.
then it will return true. Okay.
True. Okay. Okay.
So not we will going to use and or we are going to use, okay, either symbol
Okay.
or character.
Okay.
Some string operator, we already discussed about the concatenation operator. Dot
Yeah.
means in other
Uh-huh.
language we have used a plus operator, but in the PHP we use
Concatenation.
dot for concatenation. It is dot, and this is the same. We are
Uh-huh.
assigning the value of $txt1 and
With the
txt
concatenation.
by concatenating it
So
into
it will repeat the value of one again.
and yeah, exactly. So
Oh,
there is one array operator. Same, if you use array operator means these operator will be perform operation on array type variable. Okay, these x
okay.
and y should be an array. Okay.
Okay.
Same, if you use plus, then it will union or add the values of both array into one array, or it will return
Okay.
combination of both arrays value. Equality, it will check
Uh-huh.
equals. Identity means both the array have the same value and the same type also. Same condition.
Okay.
Not equal to inequality, not equal. This is the same operator for that. Both are the same, no
Uh-huh.
difference. Okay, and not equals
Okay.
identical, not identity. Okay, it will check the type also,
Uh-huh.
nothing else. So these are the operator. Generally we use logical operator, incremental decremental also we have used, and these comparison operator. Rest of the
Okay.
simple operator, nothing else. Okay, so
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
just remember these operators.
So some are the news because when I started learning, it was not all of them.
I think so. Maybe this one is not there, but
XOR,
XOR, yeah, maybe XOR also not there.
yeah.
These are the
Some of them are there,
added.
yeah.
These are the added. I think so. Now
Uh-huh.
let's come to our conditions. Let's come to our conditions.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So, if I give you one
Okay.
task right now,
Uh-huh.
can you complete it? Means just
Yeah.
a simple task. You have
Uh-huh.
to just check maximum number given three number. In between, given three number. You can do that.
Okay.
Okay, let's start with two. Let's start with two.
Okay.
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 Right now we have. Okay.
2.
So how you
If
will check
A is greater than B, then A is the biggest number.
echo A is greater.
B greatest number. Yeah.
Now, how we check the
Else if
else or else if should I use
uh-huh.
else or else if?
Means you can use else if, because we can say that at the end that else A is equal to B, then both the numbers are same. We can say that, right?
Right.
Uh-huh.
Exactly. Else if B
B
is
is greater.
greater,
Uh-huh.
then at the end you can see that
Both are the same. Both have the same value.
so you can
Okay.
run also. It is correct. I have made some semicolon where I have made 1 second. If close, else close, F, what there? Syntax are unexpected, curly bracket, expecting.
Oh, means in if condition.
I just forget a condition.
Oh, okay. Oh, all right.
Okay, B is greater if we use the same, then or
Okay.
else part will be executed. Yeah, it is correct. But now, if you want to use three
Uh-huh.
variable and you have to just say what will be the greater, then you the same you have to use else if.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
But the C, but we need some more condition with every else if
Okay.
or if. How you
Uh-huh.
can you uh, can you tell me how I have to write the code now for the three
Uh,
number?
means you have to write extra else if, means A is greater than B, B is greater than C. Means you have to, or you can do that A is greater than B and A is greater than C also.
So should I write one more condition here?
Yeah, with the and A and D.
And yeah,
And
right. You can use the
A
and
greater.
or this and also. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So okay, you know the logics. We don't have to you just write down all the things. Okay. Let's move ahead.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So we have two kind of if else, if and else, or if else if and else. Same
Mm-hmm.
things are there. There's no difference. You already know the logic. Then you don't have to see all the programs. Let's
Mm-hmm.
move to switch statement. So
Okay.
in the switch statement, there is some case and some default case
Mm-hmm.
also. Okay.
Okay.
Means there is one variable, one user defined variable or value. We just compare this
Okay.
value to our different cases. Okay, these are the
Uh-huh.
labels, means we are comparing with these labels. Okay,
Okay.
if these are the equals or it is satisfied this particular value, then it will execute
Okay.
this block of code and we have to use the break statement. Okay,
Okay. Uh-huh.
just after every case. Did you
Okay.
see switch statement before in any other language?
Mm-hmm.
Did you see the switch statement any before?
Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, then that should not be hard for you. So what
Uh-huh.
we have done, we have just assigned a string into one variable, and
Uh-huh.
we are comparing with that particular variable. And what we have cases, we have different cases. We have right here. First
Okay.
one is red. If this
Blue,
the
green.
value of this variable is red, then it will execute this line. Okay, it will just echo.
Okay.
What we have done, we have just
Mm-hmm.
echo. You can write any number line of code here, any logic here. Okay, this,
Okay.
this is not just for printing any statement. Okay, you can write here
Okay.
whole code. You can write here what you can say for loop or inner conditions, inner if
Yeah,
else,
yeah, yeah, yeah. Uh-huh.
anything. Okay,
Anything.
so
Means
condition.
I want to ask that if you want to means take the user defined value from the user, then what we can use?
User
Means
defined.
favorite color is equal to means user defined. At the runtime, he put the value.
Yeah, actually we are on the web. Actually, you are telling me like C,
Oh,
like
it's a
C.
JavaScript, right?
No, 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 not JavaScript. We can use that also. Means we can
Uh-huh.
just create a text box and submit button after entering that any value into one text box, and after submit that particular form, then it will redirect to,
Oh,
and we can fetch that particular
oh,
value from the text box and assign to that
uh,
favorite color. This is the
okay.
in the web, in the website, in the web development.
Uh,
Okay.
when I was using, there was a JavaScript, and we have to means prompt a box. It was a prompt box or something like
In the
that.
JavaScript also we can use in the JavaScript it will execute on the same browser. We don't have to
Oh,
refresh the thing. We don't have to
okay.
reload the thing. But if you want to use in PHP, you have to reload.
Uh-huh.
You have to send the value,
Oh,
this value of text box.
okay.
Okay, we will see that also. We will understand
Okay, okay, all right.
when we see that. Okay.
Okay, all right, all right.
So this is a simple switch statement and default.
Uh-huh.
We need default. Why?
Default because means if he doesn't have any like means purple color something like that.
Yeah, exactly. Then it will execute this default statement. Okay.
Uh, uh,
Let's come to loops. We have three kind of loops. We already discussed in when I just talked with you first time about the loop, while loop,
yeah.
for loop, do while
While
also
loop,
we
yeah.
have, and one another extra loop we have in PHP, for each loop. Okay.
For each loop, yeah.
Then let me show you. Yeah, these are the loop. So there is a one condition always in the loop, and this loop will be
Okay.
execute, all the iterations will be execute till that condition is true. Okay.
Okay.
So
Mm-hmm.
in the while loop, if this within this while loop, if the condition is true, then it will execute this line of code. Okay.
Okay.
So there
Uh-huh.
this condition should be false at one particular stage. At the one particular, it should be false, otherwise it will be a infinity loop. Did you get the point?
Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, the same what we have done, we have assigned one into one variable into x. Okay, now
Okay.
what we have set the condition $x greater than equals to 5. So
Fine, yeah. Uh-huh.
this loop will be execute execute these line of code or execute every time till the x is
Uh-huh.
then or equals to 5. When the value of x is 6, then it will be terminated.
Okay.
When value is 6, then it will be terminated. Let me show you the
Uh-huh.
same example.
Until x is equal to not 5, it will just,
So
yeah,
how many times it will execute? 5 times.
5 times.
If you set only equals to,
Uh-huh.
okay, sorry, not equals to 5. Oh, okay. So
Uh-huh.
less than 5, then
Mm,
it will execute only 4 times. Okay.
yeah.
So this is incremental operator we have used. If we don't use this,
Uh-huh.
then it will be
Then it will go
infinite.
numerous times.
Yeah, it will be infinity loop. Okay.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
PHP do while. So what the difference between while and do while? In the while loop, we first check the
Uh-huh.
condition, then execute
Okay.
block of code. It
Okay.
checking the condition first, then executing block of code. If the
Yeah.
condition
Uh-huh.
is not satisfied at the first time, then
Mm-hmm.
nothing will be executed. It means if there is x value of x is 6, then there
Uh-huh.
will be no output, zero output, because this condition is false in the first time,
Yeah.
so it will not
Got
execute
it.
any line of code. But in the do while,
Okay.
in the do while,
It will execute one time.
it will execute exactly. It will execute one time, then it will check the condition. Okay.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So if we have any kind of requirement, so we have to execute that particular block of code at least one, at least once. Then we have to use do while. Okay.
Okay. Uh-huh.
And just simple while in do while. Let's come to for loop. For loop also you should be familiar with the for loop. I think so.
Yeah, yeah.
The simple there is one initializer, condition, and
Okay.
incrementer or
Okay.
decrementer. Okay. So it will
Okay.
what they have done. They have just initialize the value of x with 0. Okay. And they are
Uh-huh.
checking is a value of x less than equal
Okay.
to 10 or not, and it is incrementing the value. Okay.
Okay.
After every iteration, so
Okay.
this line of code, this block of
Uh-huh.
code will going to execute 11 times, I think so.
Okay. Yeah, means because it's starting from zero.
From the 0, yeah, exactly. And we have used less than and with equals to also, 0 to 10,
Yeah.
11 times. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
For each loop. Now let's come to the for each loop. For each loop, just a new loop introduced in PHP.
Okay.
Let me show you with the example.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, there
Okay.
is
Your screen just,
a freeze
yeah, uh-huh.
now.
Now also it's free. Means I don't know.
We internet fluctuation.
Okay, okay, got it, got it, got it.
Now, okay. So
Okay.
in the for each loop, there is no
Uh-huh.
condition. Okay,
Okay.
there is no condition like while loop, do while, or for loop. But
Okay.
what we have to do, we have to pass a array type variable.
Uh-huh.
Okay, we have to pass a array type variable within the for each loop, and this
Okay.
loop or the iteration of the loop will be execute how many times? It depends on
Uh,
values, number of
yeah.
values, how many number of
Okay.
values we have in that particular array. Okay, it will just
Okay.
take one value in every iteration and point to the next one for the next
Okay.
iteration. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So
So dollar value is the means syntax for the
yeah,
number of value inside the array.
means at the first iteration, the what will be the value of dollar value is red. In the second iteration of
Okay.
this for each loop, what will the value? Green.
It's gonna be green.
And in the last iteration
Blue, yellow.
it will be yellow. Okay, so it will
Mm-hmm.
execute 4 times. Why?
Until there is, yeah, until there is a value inside the
End of the
means
value.
array.
Yeah, end of the values in the array. Okay.
And as is a keyword, right?
As is a, yeah, predefined keyword we have used in for each loop.
Okay.
And
Oh,
there's one more thing in the for each loop.
okay.
We can use key value combination also.
Okay.
Right now, this array we yesterday we have
It's a
discussed
single dimensional array.
single dimensional and indexed array.
Okay, yeah.
Is it indexed or not?
Yeah, this one is index.
Because we haven't just described or initialized any key here. So
Yeah,
so in the first
key
iteration,
type array.
this value of this dollar key will be 0.
Uh-huh.
In the second iteration,
Okay.
it will be 1. Let me show you
Yeah.
echo.
Okay.
You can use this value also. Okay.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Semicolon compulsory.
Mm-hmm.
0 1 2 3. Okay.
Okay.
Because of that
Yeah, output
particular
comes next because yeah.
BR.
Uh, But
If you use one more BR here,
before that, yeah, no. If you use before that, then it's gonna be fine. I think so.
yeah,
The key?
the key before or after also it will work.
No, before. I think so.
After it will also before.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
After
okay.
this also good.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Just saying that this we are saying this, no? This
Yeah.
okay. It will also work. 0 red, 1 green, and 2 blue, and 3 yellow. Okay. So in key
Okay.
value
Okay.
combination also we can use, and this is also one operator in
Okay.
predefined operator. Sorry, equals to greater than.
Greater than, yeah.
Okay.
Assignment. It's a one type of assignment operator, right?
Assignment. No, no, no. It's actually not the assignment operator in the case of arrays.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Generally, we use this
Or
operator in the array means this is the key and the value of that particular key is this.
okay, okay, okay.
Okay. At the time of definition, also we have used this particular operator. Means
Yeah, yeah.
if you want to initialize or if you define in associative array, then you have to use the same operator. Okay.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So this is the for each loop, a new loop in the PHP. Okay.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
And one more thing means maybe the next thing is array type of functions also there.
Mm-hmm.
User defined functions. We are this
Okay.
these are the user defined functions. The simple
Uh-huh.
function concept you already, I think so, you already see that in other languages before you already
Yeah. Uh-huh.
means the block of code. It can be
Yeah.
executed any number of time and depends how
Mm-hmm.
many times we have called that block of code. So
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
this is the function definition and this is the function call.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And we can use the function with argument, without argument. If you use with
Okay.
argument, then you have to call that particular function with
Uh-huh.
value, otherwise it will
Okay.
generate error. Means
Okay.
like if I didn't pass this, okay, the fifth time I didn't pass that.
Actually, your queen froze.
Okay, 1 second, let me show you code again. Now 1 second, let
No.
pause and resume. Maybe it will work. Now it's working. Not working.
Queen froze.
Audience, you waiting for the next screen.
Actually, I think so. We have to restart this session.
Yeah,
Mhm.
actually, if I restart the session, video is being recording. One second.